I think you need more shading. Try the black.
I guess you're right. I guess it needs more black. Hey! Where is it?
I don't know.
Where'd you put it? Hey! Where's the black?
I don't have it.
Well, it's not in the box.
Well, I don't know where it is.
Where's my eyeliner? Oh, this will work. Come on. This is not working.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Where is it at?
I don't.
I know you have it.
I don't.
Where is it? I gotta go. I gotta pee. I gotta pee. I gotta pee. I gotta pee. The black crayon. I found it
Where?
in the bathroom.
Ew, gross.
Well, I'm gonna finish now. How's that?
It's good.
Mom's gonna love it.
No, she's not.
Que ça l'amlé, tu vois l'amlé, que ça l'amlé, tu vois l'amlé.